Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. I want to start off real quickly by saying thank you to the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then inviting any of you, if you're coming through to watch the content, thank you so much. If you like what you see and you'd like to be notified, if you'll hit that like button down below, that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon, it would let you know and it'll really help the channel out. And the last thing I'll say is I'm going to be uploading this afternoon, which is Friday, and tonight at 8:15 Central Time. Stop by for Friday Night Flicks. We all hang out. If you haven't had a chance to come by one of our live streams, my live streams, I would love to have you. Today is kind of an exciting unboxing. I'm calling this a Grail unboxing. I had not planned on getting this knife. However, I fell in love with this knife when I checked out brother E&G, not E&G, and I love E&G. G is for Gracious Gangster. But Ethan Ruins had this knife at Blade Show. I was surfing around on NAF sale the other day during, actually, it was right after Cole's live stream. On Sunday, I think it was. So let's just unbox this. Using the Amazon titanium box cutter flipper to get inside this. A couple of Band-Aids from the fella who I bought this from. And a pouch. So cool, we got a little slip. I'm sure I can use that for something, but this is what I came for. This is an SK Alex Stein grabber Lamia V3 that just happened to find itself on the NAF sale. I have been a huge fan of this knife. Again, ever since I checked it out at Blade Show with Ethan had one, Ethan Ruins. It is a small batch, handmade knife. It's got perfect action. It's got this nice CNC milling on this blade. I want to say this is Magna Cut. You've got this nicely milled titanium handle. The front side is dark distress. This is from the Friday the 13th Halloween drop. And this is the V3. Wow. Just an absolute grail. Something I had been, always been on my radar, but until I hung out with Ethan and roomed with him at Blade Show and spent some time with his, I don't know if y'all seen Ethan Ruins. He actually had his personalized at Blade Show. Check out his Instagram and you can see pictures of that. So sharpening choil is done extremely well. If you look at the way the plunge grind goes back, just a very elegant, medium-sized knife that is, I mean, well above, or one of the, I will say definitely one of the nicest knives, grailiest knives I have in my collection. And I'm just absolutely ecstatic to bring it to the channel, to have it in my collection, to be able to share it with you guys, to really review it, break it down, see what we're working with. It looks like we got a T15 pivot. Let's see what that is. That's a T15. T10, let's see. Just for S&Gs. Yeah. So it is a T15. And T8s for the body, I'm betting. Not that that really matters. But that indeed is what it is. T15 and a T8 body. And guys, this knife is thin. It fits the hand like a glove. Let's see how it works in the old pocket. Absolutely fantastic clip. Goes in and out of pocket with ease. CW. I'm just looking through here to see if I see anything. SPK. That's probably the blade steel, and I'm probably not knowing what the... Super smooth, guys. Great detent. Super stoked, guys. So this is the SPK Lamia. I always forget how to say it. Don't know necessarily how to say it, and I'm sure I got it wrong. The good news is when we actually do the overview of this knife and actually tell you guys what I think about it, what's the jam, and give you all that feedback, I'll know a lot more about it, and I'll be able to share it with you. But I love the distressed finish. I was not expecting it to have that micro milling. I was not expecting it to be so smooth. I think the V3, thinking it was telling me comes set up for bearings. We will have to see. Guys, I am absolutely stoked. I appreciate all you guys. Appreciate NASL for being around so I can go browse stuff like this. FYI, somebody go and buy the Rosie off NASL to keep me from doing something stupid. Guys, I love you all. I appreciate you more than you know. Thank you for stopping by and watching the unboxing. Thank you for joining me on this weird knife journey. And please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. Come see us at Friday Night Flicks tonight. I love you all. Peace.